Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In previous video we have discussed certain urinary tract anti-infective agents, and in this video we are going to continue the topic and we will be discussing certain remaining drugs as well as the miscellaneous drugs. So first is the nalidixic acid. The trade name is Navigramon, Negram, Vintomylon and Vin 18320. That means these are the names by which this drug is available in market. It is first of the synthetic quinolone antibiotic. In a technical sense, it is a naphthyridone, not a quinolone. देखा जाए तो ये एक नेफ्थिडायरोन है, ना कि क्विनोलोन, क्योंकि इट्स रिंग स्ट्रक्चर इज 1,8 naphthydirine nucleus that contain 2 nitrogen atom unlike quinolone which has single nitrogen atom. जो हमने क्विनोलोन का स्ट्रक्चर देखा था उसमें सिर्फ एक नाइट्रोजन प्रेजेंट था. हाउएवर ये जो स्ट्रक्चर है इसमें हमारे 2 नाइट्रोजन एटम्स प्रेजेंट हैं, तो इसलिए अगर टेक्निकली हम देखें तो इट इज़ अ नेफ्थिडायरोन डेरिवेटिव. Nalidixic acid is effectively primarily against gram-negative bacteria with minor anti-gram positive activity. In lower concentrations, it acts in a bacteriostatic manner, that is, it inhibits growth and reproduction. बेसिक इसकी मैकेनिज्म क्या होगी? इट वर्क इन अ बैक्टीरियोस्टैटिक मैनर, मतलब वो क्या करेगा? ग्रोथ और रिप्रोडक्शन इनहिबिट कर देगा. मतलब कि एक बैक्टीरिया से दूसरा बैक्टीरिया की जो फॉर्मेशन हो रहा है उसको इनहिबिट कर देगा. एंड ऑल्सो इट्स ग्रोथ. या तो कोई भी हमारी ड्रग होगी, कोई भी हमारी बैक्टीरियल एंटीबैक्टीरियल ड्रग होगी, उसके या तो वो बैक्टीरियोस्टैटिक तरह से वर्क करेगा या फिर वो बैक्टीरियोसाइडल तरह से वर्क करेगा. बैक्टीरियोस्टैटिक मतलब जैसे कि हमें वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड बाय इट्स नेम. बैक्टीरियोस्टैटिक मतलब इनहिबिटिंग द एक्शन, बैक्टीरियोसाइडल मतलब किलिंग. तो यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? इनहिबिटिंग द ग्रोथ एंड रिप्रोडक्शन. In higher concentration it is bactericidal, but if we give it in higher concentration then it will be bactericidal. That means it will be killing the bacterial growth. Now enoxacin, it is an oral broad spectrum fluoroquinolone antibacterial agent used in the treatment of urinary tract infections and gonorrhea. It has been shown recently that it may have a cancer inhibiting effect, which is a big thing. Quinolones and fluoroquinolones are bactericidal drugs eradicating bacteria by interfering with DNA replication. Like other fluoroquinolones, enoxacin functions by inhibiting bacterial DNA gyrase and topoisomerase 4. प्रीवियस वीडियो में भी हमने ये चीज़ डिस्कस करी थी. क्या करेगा ये जो DNA गायरेज है और टोपोआइसोमेरेज 4, इसकी पूरी एक मैकेनिज्म है. यू कैन गो बैक टू द प्रीवियस वीडियो एंड वॉच इट. उसको ये इनहिबिट करेगा and ultimately it will show the bactericidal effect. The inhibition of these enzymes prevent bacterial DNA replication, transcription, repair and recombination. Then ofloxacin, it is a quinolone antibiotic useful for the treatment of number of bacterial infections. इसमें हमें दिख रहा है जो मेजर इसके मोइटी है उसमें 1 नाइट्रोजन प्रेजेंट है, तो इससे हम आइडिया लगा सकते हैं कि हाँ इट इज़ अ क्विनोलोन डेरिवेटिव्स. उसके अलावा जो इसके सब्स्टिट्यूशंस हैं, when taken by mouth or injection into a vein, these include pneumonia, UTIs, plague and certain types of infectious diarrhea. An eye drop may be used for a superficial bacterial infection of eye, and an ear drop may be used for otitis media when a hole in the eardrum is present. Ofloxacin is a broad spectrum antibiotic that is active against both gram positive as well as gram negative bacteria. It functions by inhibiting 2 bacterial types, 2 isomerase, DNA gyrase and topoisomerase 4. Topoisomerase 4 is an enzyme necessary to separate replicated DNA by inhibiting bacterial cell division. मेजरली ये क्या कर रहा है? जो DNA रेप्लिकेशन हो रहा है, इट इज़ इनहिबिटिंग दैट. तो जब एक बैक्टीरिया डिवाइड ही नहीं होगा, रेप्लिकेट ही नहीं होगा, तो वो उसकी कॉपीज़ नहीं फॉर्म कर पाएगा, जिसकी वजह से जो हमारी प्रॉब्लम है, जो इन्फेक्शन है, वो अल्टीमेटली खुद रुक जाएगा, स्टॉप हो जाएगा. दिस इज़ द बैक्टीरियोस्टैटिक इफेक्ट मोस्टली इन प्रोकैरियोट्स, इन बैक्टीरिया इन पर्टिकुलर. Next is the lomifloxacin. It is a fluoroquinolone antibiotic used to treat bacterial infections. This we have also discussed in the previous videos. The difference between the fluoroquinolone and quinolone is only the substitution of the fluorine molecule, fluorine atom, that can be either 1 or 2 or more. Okay, which is the latest modification and is more potent than the quinolone's derivatives. including bronchitis, that is the inflammation in the bronchus, and the UTIs. It is also used to prevent urinary tract infections prior to surgery. The bacterial action of lomifloxacin results from the interference with the activity of bacterial enzymes DNA gyrase and topoisomerase 4, which are needed for the transcription and replication of bacterial DNA. DNA gyrase appears to be primary quinolone target for gram-negative bacteria. Gatifloxacin, it is an antibiotic of the 4th generation fluoroquinolone family that, like other members of the family, inhibit the bacterial enzyme DNA gyrase and topoisomerase 4. Moxifloxacin is an antibiotic used to treat a number of bacterial infections. This include pneumonia, conjunctivitis, endocarditis, tuberculosis, and sinusitis. It is used by mouth, by injection into vein, or as an eye drop. Moxifloxacin is a broad-spectrum antibiotic that is active against both gram-positive as well as gram-negative bacteria. It functions by inhibiting DNA gyrase, a type 2 topoisomerase and topoisomerase 4 enzyme necessary to separate bacterial DNA, thereby inhibiting cell replication. हम ये चीज़ नोटिस कर पा रहे हैं इजीली कि बहुत सारी ड्रग्स का जो मैकेनिज्म ऑफ एक्शन है वो सिमिलर है बिकॉज ऑफ देम लाइंग इन द सिमिलर कैटेगरी. सो अगर हम एक कभी अच्छे से समझ लें तो हमें खुद क्लियर हो जाएगा कि बाकी के जो मैकेनिज्म ऑफ एक्शन है वो कितना ज़्यादा सिमिलर है और कितना इजीली हम उसे अपने माइंड में रिकॉर्ड कर सकते हैं. Furazolidine, it is a nitrofuran antimicrobial agent used in the treatment of diarrhea or enteritis caused by bacteria or protozoan infections. Furazolidine is also active in treating typhoid fever, cholera, and salmonella infections. Furazolidone is a nitrofuran antibacterial agent and monoamine oxidase inhibitor. Its bactericidal activity is based upon its interference with DNA replication and protein production. This antimicrobial action minimizes the development of resistant organisms. Furazolidine and its related free radical products are believed to bind DNA and induce cross-links. Nitrofurantoin, it is an antibacterial medication used to treat bladder infection, but it is not as effective as for kidney infections. It is taken by mouth. अगर इन्फेक्शन ब्लैडर में है देन वी आर गोइंग टू यूज़ नाइट्रोफ्यूरेंटोइन. हाउएवर इफ़ द इन्फेक्शन हैज़ रीच द किडनीज तो फिर इट वोंट बी वर्किंग, फिर हमें दूसरे ड्रग्स पे स्विच करना पड़ेगा. ये हम ओरली लेंगे, इट विल बी टेकन बाय माउथ. The mechanism of antimicrobial action of nitrofurantoin is unusual among antibacterials. It is reduced by bacterial flavoproteins to reactive intermediates which inactivate or alter bacterial ribosomal proteins and other macromolecules. Now this is the chemical reaction that shows the synthesis of nitrofurantoin. You can see and you have to memorize it. इसका कोई दूसरा तरीका नहीं होगा हमारे पास. वी हैव टू मेमोराइज. लास्ट में हमें ऑब्टेन हो रहा है नाइट्रोफ्यूरेंटोइन बाय जो हमारा स्टार्टिंग मटेरियल है दैट इज़ दी हाइड्रोजीन. तो इसमें हमें हाइड्रोजीन से नाइट्रोफ्यूरेंटोइन ऑब्टेन होगा और बीच में जो स्टेप्स हैं दैट वी हैव टू रिमेंबर, नो अदर ऑप्शन. Then is the methenamine. Hexamethylene tetraamine, also known as methenamine, hexamine or urotropin, is a heterocyclic organic compound with formula CH2, 6 and 4. This white crystalline compound is highly soluble in water and polar organic solvents. It has a cage-like structure similar to adamantane. It is useful in the synthesis of other organic compounds including plastics, pharmaceuticals and rubber additives. In an acidic environment, methenamine is hydrolyzed to ammonia and formaldehyde. Its mechanism of action is driven by formation of bactericidal formaldehyde, which possess non-specific antimicrobial activity by denaturing proteins and nucleic acid of bacteria. So that's all for the remaining drugs of the urinary tract infections, anti-urinary tract infection agents. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.